Number 1. 1965 Ford F100 single cab, $4,500, Oakland, California. This gray 1965 Ford F100 single cab shows 82,000 miles and remains largely original under second ownership. It is powered by a Ford 429-460 big block V8 paired with an automatic transmission. The seller reports the engine starts reliably with no oil leaks, and the truck runs and drives well. With a clean title and solid condition, it offers strong potential as a project or restoration candidate. Number 2. 1965 Chevrolet C20, runs great, $3,250, Rockdale, Texas. This 1965 Chevrolet C5 Chevrolet C20 is a 3/4-ton long bed step-side truck that reflects its agricultural working roots. Powered by a straight 6-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it runs well and starts easily. Recent mechanical updates include a new fuel pump and spark plugs. The body shows dents and rust consistent with farm use, and the truck currently has no functioning brakes. It also has a missing title and would require a bonded title process for road registration. Additional needs include door glass replacement and cosmetic improvements inside the cab and bed. This is a budget-friendly classic suitable for farm use, restoration practice, or a mechanical hobby project. Number 3. GMC 3/4-ton custom cab, $4,000, Redding, California. This 1975 GMC 3/4-ton custom cab has been stored under a carport for about 20 years. It is powered by a 400 cubic inch small block V8 paired with an automatic transmission and equipped with factory air conditioning. Showing 140,000 miles and a clean California title, the truck reportedly has a straight body, minimal rust, and a clean interior. A replacement hood is included. It will need general refurbishment and mechanical refreshing, but offers a solid foundation for a practical classic restoration. Number 4. 1970 Chevrolet C10, $5,000, Reno, Nevada. The 1970 Chevrolet C10 long bed remains one of the most collectible classic pickup designs. This example originally came with a 307 engine, but now runs a 2-bolt main 350 cubic inch V8 paired with a turbo-hydromatic 400 automatic transmission and a 12-bolt rear end. Recent upgrades include new oil pan and valve cover gaskets, a new dash pad, brand new Ultra 16x8 wheels, and new Accelera Omicron all-terrain tires. With minimal rust and drum brakes, it runs fairly well, but may benefit from carburetor cleaning and additional gasket work. With a clean title and strong mechanical foundation, this truck is ideal for either a traditional restoration or a modern performance swap project. Number 5. 1973 Ford F250, $3,000, Puyallup, Washington. This 1973 Ford F250 two-wheel drive pickup is a solid restoration candidate. Powered by either a 360 or 390 cubic inch V8 with automatic transmission, it was operational when parked, but does not currently start. The truck shows minimal rust overall, with some floor pan rust and rear quarter panel dents. The red paint appears original. It includes a fiberglass canopy that has minor damage. The odometer has rolled over, and the vehicle has not been licensed in many years, though the owner holds an Idaho title. With strong body integrity and classic 70s styling, this F250 is well suited for rebuild or parts use. Number 6. 1986 Ford F-150 XL 4x4, $3,950, Pullman, Washington. This 1986 Ford F-150 XL four-wheel drive pickup reflects the rugged character of mid-80s trucks, powered by a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It runs but is not considered reliable daily transportation at present. Recent maintenance includes a new fuel pump, battery, and ignition coil, along with replaced oil gaskets and exhaust components. It features dual fuel tanks, a locking toolbox, and retains its original radio and interior. However, it requires paintwork, rust treatment, new tires, windshield replacement, and various minor repairs. With 189,280 miles and a clean title, this truck offers solid restoration potential for an enthusiast seeking a classic four-wheel drive platform. Number 7. 1989 Ford F250 XLT Lariat, $3,500, Meadow, Vista, California. This 1989 Ford F250 XLT Lariat regular cab is powered by a 7.5-liter V8 fuel-injected gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 130,000 miles and dual fuel tanks, it is described as rarely driven and running well. The XLT Lariat trim was among the more upscale packages of the late 1980s, offering improved interior appointments and comfort features compared to base models. Rear-wheel drive configuration makes it a strong utility vehicle while maintaining classic square body styling. With a clean title and fair condition, this truck represents a practical and affordable entry into heavy-duty classic pickups. Number 8. 1972 Ford F250 Sport Custom 2WD, $900, Federal Way, Washington. This 1972 Ford F250 Sport Custom is priced as a project truck. Equipped with a 360 cubic inch V8 and automatic column shift transmission, it runs but requires fresh fuel, tuning, and complete brake service. It features front disc brakes but currently has no usable braking capability. The body is reported straight, though rust is present in the bed corners and cab mounts. The odometer has rolled over and the truck has been sitting for approximately 1 year. With a clean title and low asking price, this is a restoration candidate best transported by trailer. Number 9. 1989 Chevrolet S10 Extra Cab 4.3-liter V6, $3,900, Temecula, California. This 1989 Chevrolet S10 Extra Cab is powered by a 4.3-liter fuel-injected V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives well with no reported mechanical issues. The odometer is broken, but last reported mileage was approximately 150,000. with current estimated mileage near 160,000. It retains its original interior and has been repainted once in its original color. The truck carries a clean California title and is registered as non-operational. Compact pickups from this era are increasingly appreciated for their practicality and durability, especially with the reliable 4.3-liter engine. Number 10. 1966 Ford F100 Inline 6, $7,500, Oxnard, California. This 1966 Ford F100 is powered by a durable 300 cubic inch inline 6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission with overdrive for improved drivability. Recent updates include a new exhaust system, rebuilt transmission, new master cylinder, and alternator. Finished in white with 13,000 miles showing, it has a clean title and is reported in good condition. Mid-60s F100 trucks remain collectible for their classic styling and mechanical simplicity, making this a solid choice for vintage truck enthusiasts.